How to buy Apex Legends coins, or the premium currency of Apex Legends. Open up your game, and once you're in your game, load into the lobby. Once you're in your lobby, we go up to the top here and click Store. Once you're in the store, click on Apex Coins right here at the top right corner and select the bundle you want to purchase. If you click one of these bundles, it will redirect you to the Steam purchase page if you are playing on Steam, and if you are playing on EA, it will redirect you to the EA purchase page. Enter your details and then click on purchase. Once purchased, if the Apex coins doesn't reflect here on the top right corner, restart your game and your Apex coins should be there. That is how you purchase Apex Legends coins.